Guys, welcome back to my channel. Decided to make a video which hopefully will be interesting for someone. But this is regarding garage door openers, guys. And not just garage door openers, it's just one of the widest subjects on certain electronics. In this case, garage door openers. And you most likely find them all the time, mostly by Genie, which is a brand that I'm showing to you right now. This is a model G3T, and there are different models. You've probably seen a lot of them, different ones. So a lot of the times, guys, either when you find them, the battery will be dead, that's inside of it already, or it will not have a battery at all. I've seen that happen too. So you're not going to be able to know if it works unless you put the battery in. But most of the time they're very cheap anyway. You're not going to find them for a lot of money. Some of them do sell for decent amounts. I've sold some for like around $40, even more. Some sell for $10, some for less. Mostly around $10. So G3T, I don't remember. But anyway, so most of the time they will have a battery inside, but that battery will be dead. They're using cell batteries like those, 3 volts. There are different sizes. There's CR2032, then there's CR2025, and CR2016. A little bit thinner, so they're like different size, a little bit different size. But sometimes you will not know. So just, you will be able to see it. Here I'm just showing to you how different they are in between each other. So CR2032 is kind of thicker. Not a good word to use, guys, but it's what it is. Then CR2025 and CR2016, the skinnier one, but they are the same size in terms of circumference or whatever it's called. So this particular one, the GR3T or G3T, I think it's G3T. Well, I don't remember, but I think it's G3T. And I don't see good, guys, so, and I don't wear my glasses, so I cannot see. But this one uses CR2032 battery. I already know because I already replaced it. So I'll show it to you again. When you find, there are different ones, of course, as I said in the beginning. So it's a good indicator, guys, if there is a battery already inside and you find it anywhere. You can just press some buttons. I don't know if you see it, but it will light up. There's a LED right there, so it's gonna light up. And this one, as you can see, red, green, and red. It depends on who programmed it and for which. Some of them are universal, so they work with variety of different models of garage doors. So the person who usually buys them, they will need to most likely reprogram it to their garage door, because otherwise it's not gonna work until they do it. And there is a process of how you do it. I'm not gonna go into it. So the good indication is that it already works with the battery inside, that you will see those LED lights light up like it's happening now. I don't know if you see it or not, but this one does it because I already replaced the battery with a new battery. So if you press the buttons and nothing lights up, in this particular model, this indicator, that LED indicator over there, it's hard to see compared to other ones. Some have different places where they put those indicators at on the remote. So this one is more difficult to see, but you will see it. It's right under Genie logo. So you just need to kind of look at it from the angle and you'll see it light up. So anyway, in order for you to get to the battery on this particular one, there is an opening right here. Another good word. You use a flat screwdriver, guys. Be nice, gentle. Don't don't push it in too hard. See, guys, all the stuff that I'm saying usually is indication of something crazy as usual, but because I always think about things that have double meaning. That's why my brain works that way, guys, which is a little bit, of course, strange, but that's normal for me. So don't push too hard, guys. You're not gonna make it have some kind of orgasm or anything. So just do it gently, gentle like this motion. So then you gently open it, guys. There's the thing about it, be careful, because there are plastic like knobs or whatever they are that you click inside, so don't break those, otherwise it's not gonna close all the way if you break it or bend it. It's easy to do it, guys. So see, that's the top part, that's the rubber part with the buttons. This one you don't have to, just memorize how it came off. I usually, sometimes if you cannot remember, just take pictures with your phone on how it was originally and then how you take it apart. So it removes that front part and rubber part here with those buttons, and as you see is it will be easy for you to tell how to put this back eventually, because you need to just put them the same way with those guys, sorry, I just, with my English, guys, it's hard for me to explain this crap all the time, but you know what I'm talking about. So you need to align it properly with those gold round things. Now everyone in the comments will like, what the hell are those? But those are buttons, guys. That's how when you press it, those are contacts. See, now I remember. See, it takes me 10,000 years, guys. Sorry, I'm stressed out. And like I said, recently with all my health issues, I'm just stressed out and I forget things. Just my brain shuts off for like a certain amount of time. It already shuts off constantly, but now it happens more. So contacts. So those have to align with the contacts, those rubber things on the back side. You will see it's gonna look the same. Not the same, but you will see what I'm talking about. And then you turn it upside down, and you can just, it's gonna fall out. Just don't do it forcefully. Don't just, you know, do crazy stuff. All those electronics, guys, be careful of them, because I worked with electronics repair and computer repair and hard drive recovery repair and hard drive repair. So my hands already know about all those things, how to be gentle with those things, and how to take them apart properly so you don't break anything, because believe me, I broke so many things in the past. By learning it, it's just crazy. So and the battery is right here, guys, so you know already, you've seen it before. So this is a good battery. Now if there's gonna be battery inside already when you buy them, and you're not gonna see those LED lights light up as I've shown you, then you're gonna open it, and you kind of will know that battery is dead already, most likely, because the LED lights won't light up when you press those buttons. But the good test, guys, to just double check and make sure it's a battery issue, is use a multimeter. You don't have to have like a high-end multimeter for that, just regular one. I have different ones. I have Fluke from my computer repair days, and other ones, other brands. The Suntech, which is not a great one, but it's gonna do the job, guys. Don't worry. So you put it under direct voltage, DC voltage, and you turn the knob to DCV in this case, and you set it to 20. So and then you turn it on, guys. Very important. Don't forget to turn it on. So those probes, test probes, I call them. There is a different name for them, guys, but I call them test probes. There's a negative and positive, guys. So you know, if you studied in school, guys, and learned physics, you will understand. If not, you need to watch YouTube and learn. But there's plus, which is positive, and there's the bottom side, which is minus, negative. Similar on 1.5 volt batteries, AAA, AA. Same principles, guys, on batteries. There's plus, positive, minus, negative. So to test those batteries, you apply the probe or put the probe with the positive, which is red, to the top, and black, which is negative, to the bottom. And when you look at the display, see, it's not clear. Well, now it is 2.48. So this battery is 3 volts. So it's not dead yet entirely, but it's not already really good. So it may still work, but what will happen is if you put this battery in that has already 2.4 volts, around 2. Eventually it's gonna start dying more, of course, and it's gonna show less. But what will happen is eventually, if you still want to use that one, the LEDs, you will have to press buttons more on the rubber thing to make it work, because the battery will not have the same power output anymore as 3 volts, the ones that I put in. So let me show you. So this is CR2032, as I told you. So this one that I just put into it, you do the same thing. You put positive, negative, and this one, let me see if it's gonna show us. See, it's kind of jumping, but look, 2.98. It's almost 3 volts, so it is a good battery still. That one will still work for a little bit, for maybe, who knows for how long. But they all eventually die. All batteries have expiration dates, and they just eventually die and stop working like any other batteries of different kinds. So see, this one shows 2.98. So, and then in order for you to install it onto this, top side is plus, where connectors are. You see, when connectors touch the battery, that's the plus side, positive. So you put it this way. That's how you know. It's hard for me. Some of them will have indication either here on a controller board, or sometimes they will put it somewhere, maybe here somewhere, but not on the garage door openers. I haven't seen it this way. On other electronics they will, as you guys know. So you put, doesn't matter how you put it, you can do it this way, that way, but don't put it this way with negative towards positive side. So you put this here like this, positive up, plus up. So just to remember, see, that's how I opened it. So what you do is, because I already know those particular contacts, they have to face this way. And sometimes some people, you can of course make a mistake and put it this way, which is actually this way is how it's supposed to go. But you can put it this way, and it will not fit this way. So you will know that you're putting it in wrong. But not all electronics are like that, guys. So just, if possible, either take photo or memorize how everything goes in. See, it's important with electronics, guys. With other things, which is dirty side of my brain, everything goes in the same place. But sorry guys, but sometimes it can go to other places, but we're not gonna discuss it, guys. It's kind of, you know, not normal to discuss it on this channel, guys. But anyway, so you put this in this way. You can to make life easier, guys, sometimes you can take the belt clip off from the back, and then you put the rubber thing rubber layout thing. It's not gonna go. See, if I put it this way, you can put it this way, but it doesn't look right, so you can tell right away it's not. So it goes much smoother this way, guys. So if you find the smoother way to put it because the layout is gonna tell you, because this piece here is not gonna let it, if you try to put it the other way around, it's gonna go over that piece here. So it's easy to see. Then you put it together properly. Don't force it, don't push on it, guys, too hard. And you're gonna line it up, because see this opening right here, it will line up with this one. So it makes perfect Incision. You guess how many different improper words I'm using. And then you click and click. And you click, it's already good, guys. When it makes clicking noise like that. Then remote is ready. And then you will see the lights come up. See, there's green. I see it now. You have to look underneath. Right there. So it works now, guys. But when it had, I took out this battery to replace it because I measured it. It was inside of it previously when I bought it. Already came with it. This one shown, as I've shown you, 2.4 something, 2.5 volt. It still would light up, but very, very badly. Like I'll have to press it like crazy, like very like hard for it to light up, and you will not see the light clearly. You will see like it blink, maybe like a dim light, and then that's it. So when it gets to 2.5 volt, it's better to replace them already, because it's gonna go dead very fast, and you will have to replace it anyway. So now it works, and that's a good tool, guys. Use multimeters for electronics testing. They use it all the time. And hopefully, guys, you found this video helpful. You can test different size batteries, as I said, with this multimeter. I do it on AA alkaline, the 9 volts, different volts, guys. Same, if you know what you're doing, you're gonna know what you're doing. So, guys, thanks for watching this video. Genie saying good night to you. It wants to get listed now. Take care, guys. Have a great day. Stay safe, stay healthy.